Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to use paddock stands. Certainly in the wintertime, you'll probably need these stands to get the tires off the floor when you're not using your bike for longer periods of time, because this way you'll prevent flat spots in the tires. To support the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. So first of all, there are a couple of different adapters for paddock stands. For the rear stand, the two most popular ones are the V adapter and the L adapter. The V adapter is used for when you have bobbins on your swing arm, and the L adapters are for when you don't. These last ones are pretty much universally usable because they lift the bike by putting these under the swing arm. I'll be using these in this video. For the front paddock stand, the most used ones are the pin type adapters and the V type. The pin type are used by putting the pin in the hole underneath the front suspension, and the V type looks slightly different than the one from the back, but they're used by just putting them under the suspension and rolling it as you lift the bike up. The rear paddock stand is a bit wider than the front because the tire is wider and also the swing arm is wider than the front suspension, so make sure to put the adapters on the right stands. Besides these types of stands and adapters, there are also front stands that go under the triple clamp and full lifts that just lift the entire bike. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the typical paddock stands, the rear with the L-type adapter and the front with the pin type. Firstly, go ahead and place the bike where you want to have it standing on the paddock stands and put the back stand behind the bike and the front stand in front of it. Make sure the bike is not on a slight slope as it might move when you get it off the side stand. Next, get it off the side stand and balance it. Use a good spot to grasp, like this strap, or if you have passenger handles, you can also use one of those. This might need some practice if you're not using to balancing your bike with your left hand. Next, with the right hand, get your paddock stand and place the L-type adapters under the swing arm. When they are in a good position, push the stand down to lift the rear off the ground. Go ahead and double check if the adapters are positioned well. Next, you can go to the front and place the pins in the holes underneath the front suspension. Note that in most bikes, in one of both sides, there is a bolt running through, so make sure that on this side, the pin adapter is short enough so it doesn't lift the bike by this bolt and tilt it sideways and possibly break the bolt. When positioned correctly, push the stand down and double check the position of the adapters, and lastly, you can put the side stand up if you want it. There you go, congratulations, you put your bike on paddock stands. Now to get it off again, first put the side stand down again, then get it off the front stand and then the back because the front is less stable. So first, don't forget to put the side stand down. Then get the front tire back on the ground by pulling the stand up, and next get a good grip on your bike, pull the back stand up and gently get the bike on the side stand again. Well, there you have it boys and gals. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe for more. See you in the next one and ride safe!